Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Connor
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion, bars, coins and what's ever in this box, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne here in Australia. I literally don't know what's in these boxes. It's a combination of at least two different orders. I'm suspecting they're not silver just by their weight, but it's one of those things that people look at you like, how can you not know what is in your orders? Surely you're ordering them. And you're 100% right, and sometimes I feel bad that I don't know what's in there. But a lot of times I realise how many things we actually have on order for how many months at a time things can be on order, and I actually get why I don't know what things are turning up when.
Do you remember what you had for breakfast this morning, Michael?
I haven't had it yet.
Oh, come on.
I haven't had it yet.
Well, that's a problem now.
No. Alrighty. Oh, this is looking very Royal Mintish. Oh, I can cheat.
Oh, come on. that ruins the fun there, Michael.
Yeah, it doesn't help me. Don't stress. All right, what do you reckon, Connor? Gold or silver? Sorry, gold or platinum?
I'm gonna go with gold because there's so many of them. That's a lot of tubes.
Okay. This is where I have a slight advantage over you.
Ah, damn.
Royal Mint don't do gold coins that size.
Oh, of course.
Sorry, yeah, gold coins. Royal Mint don't do gold coins that size. So whatever these are, they're platinum at a guess. We'll see if I'm right in a second. And I suspect now I know what they are just because of their size. So this is the 1 ounce, and you're going to need some B-roll of this. This is the 1 ounce platinum Tudor Beast Lion.
Gorgeous. Wow.
So you need this to complete your collection. So we've had the silver. Yep, we've had the silver 2 ounce.
And the gold.
We've had the gold. We haven't had the 10 ounce yet. And the fact that the platinum has arrived must mean that the other sizes are arriving very soon in the silver, with any luck.
So you're hopefully expecting to see the...
Yeah. So very limited production. You'll never guess what's on the other side of a Royal Mint coin.
Oh, look. It's old Queenie.
So, yeah. She's appearing in all her glory. So we have a number of those in stock. Now, I keep saying this over and over again, and it sounds very cliche, but we have what I'm guessing is somewhere around about 50 in those tubes, 2, 4, 6, 60, maybe even be a few more. But I would pretty much guarantee that I won't be able to get them in again. So if you want to complete your Tudor Beast collection or start your Tudor Beast collection, because the Lion is the first in the Bullion series, and you want to collect it in the platinum, grab them while you can, because I'm certainly not guaranteeing we're going to have them in for very long. And everyone knows I'm a bit of a platinum bug.
So you might even buy them all up yourself.
I'm not going to buy them all up because that wouldn't be the right thing to do. But I certainly am going to secure myself some. Now, some days it's just like Christmas.
I was about to ask what Christmas looks like at your house.
Christmas in my house is chaos. I have a very large family.
And they all shred and rip the packages, yeah?
Well, yeah, sometimes.
Or is that just exclusively a Michael thing?
Could be exclusively a Michael thing. I think I have too. I have massively ordered.
Wow.
So we must have going on 100 of them. 3, 6, 7. Gee, we must have more than 100 of them. Oh, actually, I think I bought 200. And they're pretty sad, but I don't even know how many I bought.
Live reaction right here. Michael realises he's bought a lot.
Whoops. No, that's okay. I still stand by the fact that they're not going to last long, because they're not. Yeah. I mean, they're platinum coins. They're always popular. People are always looking for something slightly different. Why on earth they package one individually, I have no idea.
That one's just for you.
Yeah. Oh, it's buy 200, get one free, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, is it? Is it? That'd be great.
Oh, yeah, I don't believe that for a millisecond. Yeah.
But look, there's more chance if anyone does want them. We've got even more, and who knows what is in that final box.
We must. Oh, good grief! how on earth did I come up with that number? 58 and 71 pieces in here. It doesn't tell me what they are, but it tells me pieces. So 71 is 120, 129.
Oh.
I don't remember ordering 129 of anything.
Maybe it was a bit of a late night for you and you did some late night shopping.
It is entirely possible.
Does the rest of the company know about this?
Yeah, possibly.
All right, so we're not going to get any hot water for this much?
I don't know. Look, like I said, even if I had bought 200, we haven't opened this box yet, so there might be more in here. Like we're still going to sell it. We might have them for 6 weeks. Might have them for 6 weeks. Platinum is very popular, particularly getting different coins in, because people, even though they're just stacking, they like a bit of variety in their stack, which I totally support. I think it's great. It has the Tudor Beasts, and the Tudor Beast is looking like, I mean, we're only at the start of the series, but it's certainly looking like it's going to be a very popular series. So all those things, you add all those things together, they're not going to last very long. So
let's, with that said, let's crack into the next box and see if we've got another 100 of them.
It wouldn't shock me at this point. Oh dear. I was going to say it's a different, this is FedEx, that's UPS, so they've got to be different, but inside the FedEx box.
It's funny because when I collect all these boxes for filming, Ruben said, it's a box within a box.
I suspect that I didn't order 129. I'd say that this is the balance of what we ordered.
When I grabbed these boxes from the front of the store, Ruben said, "Yeah, we don't know what's in these. It's just mystery." He said he thought it was gold, so he said it was mystery gold.
Oh, that glue just ripped out a line of the arm hairs. Got a wax at the same time. Ah, they're different.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's a good thing. I like to see a bit of variety in the store. This is a bit of an old favourite, but I think it's a new take on the old favourite.
Oh.
So these are obviously gold Philharmonics, but I don't think, I'd have to check the web. That's sad. I think these are the 2022 edition.
Well, instead of checking the web, you just open them.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not doing it very successfully. It's because my nail didn't... I thought my nail had cut through the seal, but it hadn't. There we go. I love... The Philharmonic... it would have to be my favourite. I have so many favourites.
Yeah, that's a tough call there, Michael.
I think it's my favourite. This is the 2022 Philharmonic. So I love both sides. So this is the graphic of the Austrian Mint. And they just... The attention to detail on a bullion coin is what gets me. It's what we talked about with the Tudor Beast a minute ago. It's what we talked about in a previous video where we looked at just the basic Scottsdale half-ounce silver round. The attention to detail on that one of the Scottsdale line. It's just beautiful. The Austrian Mint does it with this Philharmonic. So the reproduction of the building on one side, the heritage building, but on the other side, just all the various instruments through there. And it seems every time I view it, I think, I've never really looked at that violin or that cello or that harp before. And just the detail that they get on a basic bullion coin, I think is just, I think it's superb. I really do. I love... I'm going out on a limb by saying it's my favourite, but it's absolutely one of my favourites, if not my favourite bullion coin, which is a big call.
So when are we going to Austria and vlogging that trip?
Oh, that'd be good fun. We should do that when we go to Germany next year.
Yeah.
Assuming they have the World Money Fair.
There you go. We just dropped two bombshells there.
We're going to Austria and Germany.
Anyways,
I want to go to Denmark as well because I want to go to Legoland, and I want to go to... All good. Back on topic. Austrian Philharmonics are back in stock. And this is a 2022. So if you're after this year's, we do have them now in the 1 ounce. Hopefully getting some of the other sizes in the not too distant future. And we have, for some reason, 129 of the new Royal Mint Tudor Beasts, Lion of England. Grab them while you can.
Thanks for showing us that one there, Michael, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.